Hello guys, welcome to Technotech YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of entering service mode on Ricoh MP C2003SP, C2503SP, C2003ZSP, and C2503ZSP printers. You'll also learn how to print a test page, a crucial step for troubleshooting and ensuring your printer operates smoothly. This step-by-step tutorial is designed to help you perform these tasks quickly and efficiently. Whether for maintenance or diagnostics, this guide makes it simple to manage your Ricoh printer. Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.